Next footwork version is called bird on a perch. So we put the arches on the bar, wrapping the feet around the foot bar. Inhale again as you're moving the carriage out. Exhale, bring it back in. Be mindful of not snapping your knees. Breathe into your lungs. Try not to breathe into your abdomen. And keep gliding. Every inhale straightens the legs, pushes the carriage out. Every exhale brings the carriage in. We make sure that the neck is long, chin is down. You may need to put a pillow behind your head on the headrest to elevate your head, to feel more comfortable in your neck.